Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. Do you want to secure your messages by keeping it private? If so, then in this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your messenger on Android. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do is go to the settings and here scroll down to apps and then tap on app lock. So here you have to give fingerprint or pattern that you have set or passcode, anything that you have set to it. After that, you have to search for messenger or you can simply scroll down and find it. So here you have to search for messenger and you have to enable this option. After enabling this option, go back and check for your messenger. So here you have to give the password to unlock the messenger, and here we are done. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.